Good morning, class. Welcome to week 4. We have 2 more weeks of class. You guys are constantly on my mind. I hope that you are staying safe, that you and your family are safe, and that you're looking for the positive in this time as opposed to the negative and what we're going to do. I keep you all in my prayers and thoughts during this time. I know that it's hard, but I want to just commend you guys. Everyone in this class is working hard and getting their work turned in on time and communicating in the discussion board. Everyone is giving their best. So I'm really proud of you. I'm glad that you are still present in class and that you're doing the work. If you need anything, be sure to contact me or, let me know. I know that these are difficult times, but you guys are doing a great job staying with it and submitting very good work. So with that said, last week we talked about study skills, and we had a discussion about what do we have a discussion about, guys? Oh, yeah, you rated your study skills and you talked about how you can improve. You guys made a time management plan. I saw some great schedules. It looks like you guys put a lot of thought into your schedule for work, school, and personal time. So great job on that. Notes, you guys, some of you were kind of shaky on what to do. So you had 2 different types of notes. You had the outline style notes or the corner style notes as samples. But the video also talked about bulleted notes. Basically, when you take notes, it's your personal style. What I was looking for was, how do you take notes, a sample of your notes, and then tell me how or why you chose those style of notes and how it helps you to study or write a paper or whatever. So great job, most of you. Some of you, if you want to go back and look at it and resubmit, I'm open to that. You can do that. Okay? And that's it. Good job for last week. Now, moving into week 4, we're going to get into some deeper thinking, some more critical thinking. This is our problem-solving week. So you're going to watch the videos, do some practicing. You can still do some keyboarding and 10-key practicing, and you submit your results once you make those benchmarks. I think it's 40 words per minute for the keyboarding and 8,000 keystrokes per minute for the 10-key. And then you'll do your your discussion board about problem solving. And then assignment 4, you only have one assignment this week. And that is you're going to actually solve a problem for someone. So you read the assignment, and then you are going to present your best solution for the problem that's presented in activity 1 or assignment 4. Okay? Also, this week, there is an end of term survey. Remember that your voice matters. Everyone reads these. Our administrative team and our academic team reads the student surveys. So please go in and submit your survey. This helps us improve our instruction and our curriculum. Okay? Continue the good work. Continue to stay focused. Again, you're in my thoughts and prayers, and have a great week.